Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel SG Education. Today we will see class 8 subject science chapter 12 introduction to acid and base exercise solutions. So question 1, identify the following solutions whether they are acid or base. Solutions are given here. So first solution, change in indicator litmus. Blue litmus turns red. Phenolphthalein, no change. Methyl orange, orange color turns red. Acid. Second, litmus, blue litmus turns red. Phenolphthalein, no change. Methyl orange, orange color turns red. Solution is acid. Third solution, red litmus turns blue. Phenolphthalein, colorless to pink. Methyl orange, orange color turns yellow. Given solution is alkali. Question 2. Write chemical names from given formulae. First, H2SO4. Answer, sulfuric acid. Second, CaOH by 2. Answer, calcium hydroxide. Third, HCl. Answer, hydrochloric acid. Fourth, NaOH. Answer, sodium hydroxide. Fifth, KOH. Answer, potassium hydroxide. Sixth, NH4OH. Answer, ammonium hydroxide. Question 3. Sulfuric acid has highest importance in chemical industry. Why? Answer, sulfuric acid has highest importance in the chemical industry because it is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers like ammonium sulfate and superphosphate of lime. It is used in the manufacturing of hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and phosphoric acid, ether, plastics and metal sulfates. It is also used in the manufacturing of dyes, drugs, perfumes, disinfectants and glue. Next, question 4. Give answers. Question A. Which acid is used for getting chloride salt? Answer, hydrochloric acid is used for getting chloride salt. Question B. By squeezing lemon on a piece of rock, the gas liberated turned lime water milky. Which compound is present in the rock? Answer, metal carbonate is present in the rock. Question C. The label on the bottle of chemical is spoiled. How will you find whether the chemical is acidic or not? Answer, the chemical is tested with blue litmus paper. If it turns red, it is an acid. Otherwise, tested with red litmus paper. If it turns blue, it is an alkaline. Question 5. Answer the following questions. Question A. Explain the difference between acid and base. Answer, acids. Acids have sour taste and acids turns blue litmus red. In case of bases, bases have bitter taste. Bases turns red litmus blue. Question B. Why indicator does not affect by salt? Answer, mostly indicators are organic compounds which do not react with a salt. Question C. Which substances are produced by neutralization process? Answer, salt and water are produced in the neutralization process. Question D. Which are the industrial uses of acids? Answer, acids which are used in the industry are sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. First, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in the manufacture of chemical fertilizers like ammonium sulfate for cleaning gold and silver articles and in car batteries. Second, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used to clean toilets and to obtain glucose from starch and also for producing gelatin. Third, nitric acid. Nitric acid is used in the manufacture of perfumes for engraving on copper, brass, or silver, and in the manufacture of paints and explosives. Question 6. Select proper word given in bracket and fill in the blanks. Question A. Main constituent of acid is fill in the blank. Answer. Main constituent of acid is H plus minus ion. Question B. Main constituent of alkali is fill in the blank. Answer. Main constituent of alkali is OH negative ion. Question C. Tartaric acid is a fill in the blank acid. Answer. Tartaric acid is a weak acid. Question 7. Match the pairs. Question Group A. Tamarind, curd, lemon, vinegar. And Group B. Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. Answer. Tamarind, tartaric acid. Curd, lactic acid. Lemon, citric acid. And vinegar, acetic acid. Question 8. State true or false. Question A. Oxides of metals are alkaline in nature. Answer. True. Question B. Salt is acidic. Answer. False. Salt is neutral. Question C. Metal corrodes due to salts. Answer. False. Acids are and bases corrode metals. Question D. Salts are neutral. Answer. True. Question 9. Classify the following substances into acidic, basic, and neutral group. HCl, NaCl, MgO, KCl, CaO, H2SO4, HNO3, H2O, and Na2CO3. Answer. Group acid substances HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. Base substances CaO, MgO, Na2CO3. Group neutral substances H2O, NaCl, and KCl. Our Class 8 Subject Science Chapter 12 Introduction to Acid and Base exercise solutions are completed. If you like this video and want to see the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SG Education. Thank you.